Well, can you teach an old dog new tricks? The next couple of days we're going to find out. Well, what kind of new tricks are we up to today? I've spent a lot of time out here in the woods, but most of it has been either canoe camping, day hiking, some winter camping, but I haven't actually done any backpacking for years and years. I think the last time I went on an actual backpacking trip was probably in the late 70s. So here I am on the Pow Wow Trail, north of Ely, east of Ely, and there's been an awful lot of work being done in order to clear this trail for use. I worked with the crew here about 3 weeks ago and helped to clear about 1.25 miles of the 32 miles that make up this trail. Here to take advantage of that here for the next couple 3 days. Walked in about a little better than a mile to the first campsite. I'll set up camp here and actually use this as a base camp. Tomorrow I'm going to take a walk up to Pow's Lake, which up there and back is going to be about 10 miles. And I'll have camp all set here ready for me when I get back. So I'm kind of easing into this backpacking style a little bit. As with anybody that starts out backpacking and doesn't have much experience, I overpacked. I put more stuff in the pack than I should have. I know if I was walking more today, it would be tough to get a 10-mile day in with the pack that I had. But being that I only had to come in a little better than a mile, I took some stuff that I wouldn't probably ordinarily take, including a couple of cameras and some other gear too. So got the tent up. Got most of the camp chores done, sleeping bag, sleeping pad out. I've filtered water already. I've got enough wood for today and tonight. And I'm going to have a little bit of lunch. So we'll see how the weekend goes. And we'll take a little video around today and hopefully more tomorrow as I'm on my day hike over to Pow's Lake. So we'll see how this goes. If it goes well, maybe I'll do some more of it. But so far it's been a good day. Beautiful weather. Looks good. Well, good morning. Here we go. We're going to get a little breakfast and on the trail.
We got love that we'll never need to hide. Love will always rise above. Whatever comes, we will be just fine. If I am yours and you are mine, take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me. Just be with me. Now we're one with the sun over our heads, and at night we'll be the stars. We can go any place that we want to. I don't care if that's too far. Take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me. Just be with me.
Well, I made it into Pow's Lake. Pretty good hike. I would say it's probably been about 5 miles from where I camped last night. So it'll be about a 10-mile round trip by the time I get back to camp. It's been a pretty good morning for hiking. It's warm, but the clouds have been out, so it keeps the sun from beating down too bad. Trail's in great shape. Thank you to the Boundary Waters Trails organization and volunteers. Looks really good. Just a piece of cake getting here as far as difficulty. A few black flies today. Lots of wood ticks, so make sure that you get your permethrin or DEET or whatever it is that you prefer to use before you come in here. But absolutely just a great day and a nice hike to get here. Would encourage anybody to take this trip. It's not bad at all. So I'm not in real good shape, and I made it without any difficulty. So now as long as I get back to camp, I'll be in good shape. So we'll sign off until a little later on the trip, and thanks for watching.